Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode coming up. The other day in Calgary, I got some Jollibees, and I'm gonna make some dumplings out of my leftover Jollibees. So see here how I made the dumplings, and then we're gonna have it for Appies with Chappie by the lake, and I'm gonna make it a cocktail. So coming right up. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. Today for our appetizer I got some fried dumplings with Jollibee fried chicken inside. I'm very excited about that. First we need a drink. So I'm gonna make a Chambord Lemonade. I got a nice big hurricane glass with ice. We're gonna go 1 1/2 ounce of Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur from France, I believe. And then we need 6 ounces of lemonade. You can use homemade lemonade if you like. And then we're just going to top it off with a little bit of Sprite. And I have a lemon wedge as a garnish. And that's a Chambord Lemonade to go with my Jolibee Dumplings. And that concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.